Okay, now we're going to go ahead and actually solve compound inequalities that do not have x by itself yet. So number 10, if you notice that the x piece is in the middle, so that means this is an and inequality. So what you're trying to do is go ahead and get the x by itself in the middle. So, but you need to remember this is two inequalities stuck together, so anything you do to the middle, you have to do to the right and to the left. So you're going to do the same order of steps that we done before. Distribute, there's nothing to distribute. Combine like terms if you can't. These are not like terms. So now we got to get x by itself. So step 1, add or subtract stuff over. So I'm going to add 3, but I got to add 3 to the right, add 3 to the left. So this is negative 2. Bring down the inequality. I have a negative x here. 2 plus 3 is 5. Notice I still have that negative sign in front of the x. So I'm going to divide by negative 1. And make sure you do it to both sides of the inequality. And remember, we learned that when we divide by a negative, we're going to flip this inequality. So I'm going to flip this as well. So this is your final solution. So x is in the middle, so this is an and statement. Again, if you want to rewrite this like this, that would be fine. This is really x is greater or equal to negative 5, and x is less than or equal to 2. So here's negative 5, here's 2. This is an and problem, so I'm going to go ahead and do the work on the top and put my final answer on the number line. So x is greater or equal to negative 5. Close circle, greater goes all the way to the right. X is less than or equal to 2. Close circle at 2, goes all the way to the left. And I see it's exactly in the middle where the two lines cross, so that's going to be my final solution. So this graph, what I have shaded, is a picture representation of my answer. Okay, now the next one is an or statement. So or statements are easy, you just keep them separate, so you're just going to think of it as two separate problems. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one first. Minus 3, 2x is less than 6. I have to divide by 2. I do not flip because I am not dividing by a negative. So there's the first one. Or the other one, I'm going to plus 6, 3x is greater than 18. Divide by 3, or x is greater than 6. So this is my solution. Now I'm going to graph the solution as well. So there's 3, there's 6. It's an or statement, so I don't have to try to figure out where they cross. All you have to do is graph it. So this is x is less than 3, open circle, going all the way to the left, greater, open circle, going all the way to the right, and that's my solution.